Hello, so this is a demonstration video for Enhancement 1. I'm just going through the checklist. So we start here, so here's my main home page. And then if we go here, here's my template page. So starting here, I'll start with the validate CSS first. And one thing to note here is it says I have one error with the import. But the thing is if you head to my CSS file, there is no import at all at the top of the file. So I'm not sure if it's just error with Google, because I completely erased the import and I put it into the HTML of the font thing of fonts. So I'm not quite sure where that's coming from, but other than that, the rest of the CSS checks out. And that's the same file for both pages. And then if I validate the HTML here for the home page, it all works. And if I validate the HTML for the template page, it all works. Close these. And then come over here, so let's do the wave. So if you look on the left, everything checks out. There's no errors or anything showing up. And then if we do the wave for the template, same thing, no errors. And then for the last thing, so if we head here and collapse all the files, so here we have the CSS, and these two links are the fonts that are being brought in. But besides that, that is, oh yeah, and one last thing is with the size. There we go. So this is the mobile view, 320 for the width. Then we have a tablet view, and then we have a laptop view, and then we even have a large laptop view, which it can accommodate. But besides that, that is my demonstration video for Enhancement 1.